Hey Tops, how's it going? This is Evan Sayner.
And I'm Matt Nord. We're both financial advisors with Northwestern Mutual. And today we're here to talk a little bit about retirement. So, with that, Evan, get into some questions. Biggest question of them all is how much do I need to save?
Right. So that's a great question. So really good rule of thumb that we use is it's called the 60-20-20 rule. So the 60 is 60% of your income should be going towards fixed expenses, 20% should be going towards savings and investing, and then 20% should go towards fund money. So we tell all of our clients if we've got a good savings plan, we can have an even better spending plan, because that's really all we want, is to have a plan around it and empower people to spend their life living while they're saving for their future. So a couple really key questions to ask yourself is, when do you want to retire, and how much will you need to support your lifestyle? So we always need to be taking advantage of a company's 401k match, getting that free money. And really, so how do you make sure you have the best shot at making your money last? Can you help people with that, Matt?
Yeah, so first step is understanding the strategies you've been using throughout your working years to save for retirement may not be the same as those you use to make your money last through retirement. So that's because while you're working, you're accumulating your retirement funds. Your goal is building up that retirement savings so that you can live the life you want in retirement. When you get there, things change. So you're no longer focusing on saving anymore. You're switching from that accumulation phase really to how we're going to distribute these or spend them down. So how you use your savings in retirement can really make a big difference in how long your money lasts. So with that, and really, what are we looking at as the risk to retirement? So Evan, could you just touch on a little bit about the retirement risks?
Yeah. So with all the mountains of data and research and studying that's gone into retirement savings and planning, they've been able to boil it down to there's 6 main risks: the market, longevity, long-term care, healthcare costs, leaving a legacy, and inflation and taxes. So to break those down a little bit, the market is a risk because we need to adjust your investment portfolio as you get older to align with the risk tolerance that you're willing to take with your investments. So seeing those big swings in the market. Then longevity, since no one knows how long we will be here, we need to make sure that our money is going to last as long as you do, if not longer. And there's products in place for that. Long-term care. Long-term care helps us ensure that the cost of care for an unaccepted event or long-term illness doesn't prematurely deplete our assets. So long-term care planning is a big one. Healthcare costs. We got to have a plan and a budget for rising medical costs and Medicare limitations so that they don't impact your income and retirement savings. Then leaving a legacy, that depends on the person. How much do they want to leave, where they want to leave it to, who do they want to leave it to? So with adequate planning, we may be able to leave a financial legacy to a loved one or a charity or whoever that individual wants to leave it to. And then lastly, inflation and taxes. We call that the wind. It's real, but you can't see it. So we've got to have a plan for how we're going to spend our money, especially our safe money, to account for inflation, reducing our purchasing power over the years, and then always keeping up to date with changes in tax laws. So those are the 6 main risks to retirement. So, Matt, as you know, whenever we're sitting down with individuals, when we're setting out long-term plans, we're trying to knock out all of these as soon as possible so we can put ourselves in a better situation than, a lot of people we're seeing in retirement now. So if you have any questions about retirement planning or how we can help get you on the right track, please don't hesitate to reach out to Matt or myself, and we'll be more than happy to walk you through these and how we can, alleviate some of these just through proper planning. So go Tops. Have a great weekend.